Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. Today we are getting into an absolutely, definitely delicious meal prep. We have some Caribbean style curry chicken. We have callaloo with spinach. And we have quinoa. We're keeping it cute, keeping it healthy, and making sure it tastes good. Okay, so let's get into the recipe. I'm going to peel and cut up some potatoes, bite-sized pieces. I'm going to do the same thing with carrots. Set that to the side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dice one whole onion. Y'all, I love this meal. It's healthy. It tastes really good. I don't like to skimp out on flavor, even though I'm dieting. I'm gonna cut some bite-sized pieces of bell pepper, and I have an array of colors as usual. But yes, super good for you, nutritious, and just delicious. Okay, it's so good. I love curry. It's one of my favorite things to eat. All right, then I also have some scotch bonnets that I'm just gonna dice up, or habaneros. You could skip the pepper if you don't like hot food. And then I'm gonna cut up some fresh cilantro. I love cilantro. Cleaning my chicken legs in cold water and vinegar. I usually do curry chicken with cut up pieces of whole chicken, but the chicken legs were on sale at ShopRite, so I said, let me get that instead. And I'm not cutting it up because I'm doing all this work around the house. They're going to stay whole, just as good. And then we're going to season with some seasoning salt, black pepper. We got some Jamaican curry powder, paprika, some ground ginger. You can also use fresh ginger if you want. And I'm using some Italian herb seasoning. It's no salt, just a bunch of herbs in it. And we have some ground allspice. We're going to give that a good mix. If you have fresh thyme, use it. I was out of time. I use a lot of thyme. And then I have this very easy to make quinoa. It comes in plastic bags, and you boil it in the plastic bag, and it takes about 10 minutes to cook after it starts boiling. Very fast. You remove it from the pot, set it to the side. All right, we're gonna brown the chicken legs on both sides. You can brown it about 5 minutes per side. And you see I'm taking the quinoa bags out. And you want to drain it because a lot of water comes off the bag. Anywho, brown the chicken on both sides for 5 minutes. Then you're going to add back all your vegetables and your fresh herbs. Add a little bit of water at a time as you go, because chicken springs its own water and you want the gravy to be nice and thick, not watery. All right, now we're going to add the callaloo to the pot. Add some spinach. And you're going to add some seasonings. I use the complete seasoning. Some minced garlic, black pepper, allspice, ground allspice, and red pepper flakes. So simple. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to cover that up on medium heat. Let that do its thing. Oh, I forgot to add minced garlic to my curry chicken. How could I do that? Went ahead and added that, mixing it up. Look how good that looks. Look at the gravy. So good. So good. And the good thing about curry chicken or stew chicken, it cooks very fast. It's about a 45-minute cook once you get everything in the pot. The greens looks delicious. The quinoa comes out great every time if you make it this way with the bagged quinoa. So easy. Oh my gosh, I love curry chicken. Just look at it. I could smell the curry chicken down the hall after school. And I used to be so happy and eat a big old bowl of curry chicken and white rice. So good. Now let's get into the meal prep. I'm using these glass containers that I got from Amazon. And then I'm portioning my food with these portion control containers. My hormones are all over the place. So I'm having to actually get more strict with portioning my food and not leaving it to my own vices. Don't leave me to my own vices, y'all. Don't. I need the portion control. And of course, I'll keep you guys updated with my very honest weight loss journey. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and plate this up. I'll leave the link to all these things that I got off Amazon. And yeah, tastes great, won't break the bank. Thank you for tuning in. God bless.